Hello everyone, we are here with visual vocabulary for smart students brought to you by mahindraguru.com. As you know, daily we discuss 10 words along with their antonyms, synonyms, examples with the help of images as well as their meaning. So we are going to do the same. The first word that we are going to discuss today is garble. The word is a verb which means to mix up two things or two ideas. The synonyms which are provided to you are misrepresent and misquote. Repeat with me, the synonyms for garble are misrepresent and misquote. The antonyms are decipher and elucidate. As you can see, there's an image given to you which has two different monkeys talking to each other and they must be garbling things. So, the sentence for this particular word is the monkeys garbled the matter. Moving to the next word for today is Genesis. This word is noun. So repeat with me, Genesis is a noun which means beginning. The synonym for the word Genesis are origin or commencement. Origin or commencement. The antonyms are conclusion or completion of a work. So repeat with me, the synonyms are origin and commencement and the antonyms are conclusion and complement. As you can see, there's a image in front of you which shows a bear eating something, and the sentence goes, he eats at the genesis of his exercise. So what it means is this bear, as you can see, is eating before doing the exercise. Moving to the next word that we have got is giddy. Now this word giddy is an adjective which means to display joy, displaying joy. As you can see, the image over here consists of 4 kids who are very giddy, looking happy. So the synonyms provided to you are bemused and skittish, while the antonyms are serious or somber. Repeat with me, the synonyms are bemused and skittish, and the antonyms are serious and somber. As the sentence goes, the giddy kids posed for a pic. The giddy kids posed for a pic. Moving to the next word, that is the fourth word for today, gorge. Now the word is a verb that means to consume a huge amount, to gorge things. The synonyms that you are given with are gobble and devour, and the antonyms are starve and balance. Repeat with me, the synonyms are gobble and devour and the antonyms are starve and balance. Here you see a picture of two of the most commonly known cartoons of ever. They are basically eating, gorging things inside. So the sentence goes, they gorge the poisonous food. They gorge the poisonous food. The next word for today is gruesome, and this word is an adjective. Gruesome means triggering disgust or horror, something that is horrifying. The synonyms provided to you are hideous and frightful. Repeat with me, the synonyms are hideous and frightful. The antonyms are attractive or beautiful. Beautiful looking, good looking are antonymous to it. Now, as you can see in the picture, this is a pic from a very famous movie, a cartoon movie on that. As you can see, there's a very monstrous dinosaur which is threatening the little one. So, the sentence goes, the gruesome monster will eat the small dinosaur. The gruesome monster will eat the small dinosaur. The next word is gullible, and it is an adjective as well. The meaning of the word is easily fooled or cheated. That is, easily fooled or cheated, innocent looking. Now, as you can see, the synonym provided to you are foolish and believing, while the antonyms are shrewd and knowledgeable. Repeat with me, the synonyms are foolish and believing, and the antonyms are shrewd or knowledgeable. As you can see in the picture, there is a very innocent, cute looking baby looking at you. And the sentence says, I'm not so gullible as I look. As the famous saying goes, never judge a book by its cover. So I'm not so gullible as I look. The next word is gravitate. That's a verb which means to be pulled towards. And the synonyms are incline or drift, while the antonyms are ascend or repel. Repeat with me, the synonyms are incline and drift, and the antonyms are ascend or repel. Now you can see a picture of Earth and Moon. And as the sentence goes, the earth and the moon gravitate towards each other. The earth and the moon gravitates towards each other. Next word goes, and the next word over here is glower. This is again a verb which means to stare in a very hostile way. To stare or to scowl. The synonyms which are provided to you are scowl and glare, while the antonyms are grin and smile. Repeat with me, the synonyms are scowl or glare and the antonyms are grin or smile. As you can see, a very famous cricketer in front of you and he is glaring at the screen. So the sentence goes, he glowers when the umpire gives a wrong decision. The cricketer glowers when the umpire gives a wrong decision. The next word is gargantuan. That is an adjective again, and the meaning is of tremendous size. That is gigantic. The synonyms which are given to you are gigantic and mammoth, and the antonyms are dwarfed or miniature. Repeat with me, the synonyms are gigantic and mammoth, while the antonyms are dwarfed and miniature. As you can see, there is a picture of a great giant whale on the back of which you can see an island. So the sentence goes, the blue whale is a gargantuan fish. The last word for today is ghastly. It is an adjective which means extremely awful. Now the synonyms which are provided to you are horrifying and appalling, while the antonyms are pleasant and comforting. Repeat with me, the synonyms are horrifying and appalling, and the antonyms are pleasant and comforting. As you can see on your screens, there's a picture of a witchy creature which is very ghastly looking. So the sentence goes, she is a ghastly creature. That is all for today. Tomorrow we are going to come again with another set of vocabularies. Thank you.